Welcome to Drolipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change default browser app in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to apps option. Now here at the top you can see choose default apps option, then just tap here. Now from here you can change your default apps. Just go to browser app. Now from here you can change your default browser app. You can see there are two browser app in my phone. One is Google Chrome and another is Samsung Internet. If you want to set Google Chrome as your default browser app, just select Chrome from here and then go back, and it's changed successfully. You can see in my phone default browser app is Google Chrome now. You can also change your default phone app, SMS app from here. And that is how you can change default browser app in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.